So, Hossein, hi, how are you? How is everybody doing? Mikhail, hello. So, today I will talk about the Prelim gross domestic product because, yeah, this is in a high impact event and most likely we'll have Mian Abu. Hi, how are you? This will have a big impact on the financial markets, on the US dollar, probably Japanese yen. Very, very important also gold, silver, maybe US oil. So Prelim, GDP, unemployment claims as well in 9 minutes or less than 9 minutes. Also, please guys, if you have questions, you can actually I'm waiting for your messages as well in that chat. Yeah, YouTube chat. Read disclaimer first of all, please read it, and if you have questions you can send an email to support. Yeah, and it's important to understand the risks, so please read it. Don't forget guys also about this learn to trade crypto trading bot. So you can visit our website, and we have here crypto trading bot, and you can read more details. You can if you want to follow this crypto trading bot, yeah, please visit our website and you have more details. I believe that you already saw really good results in the VIP group as well. Yeah, you can if you want, you can buy a subscription, you can follow it. So Euro USD, let's take a look and let's start with the dollar index. So any thoughts on gold? Mali, about gold, yeah, I will talk about gold. So right now, dollar index, you already know that personally I'm looking for US dollar longs, and right now, yeah, dollar index, it has found resistance here 104.66. It has yeah, registered only a false breakout right now, maybe natural retreat, but yeah, after this retreat, personally I'm looking for US dollar longs. But yeah, it remains to see how it will react around the economic data, because yeah, in line with expectations data, or yeah, better than expected US data could help the US dollar to appreciate. Okay, so that's why personally I'll wait to see how it will react, because yeah, better than expected data could force the DXY to jump higher, and then I will look for new US dollar longs. Because earlier today I've talked about US dollar Japanese yen thought process. I have a pending order on US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Also, I've talked about US dollar Canadian dollar. Okay, US dollar Canadian dollar. Let's take a look. USD CAD. You can watch that video again. So right now it has developed maybe a potential flag, a potential channel. But personally, I've said earlier today in that video that maybe I want the price to come back down to retest the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, this demand zone, and boom. Okay, so I'll wait here, and this could be my scenario in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. The bias is still bullish in the short term. So this could represent an accumulation consolidation here. Test retest could bring us new long opportunities in US dollar Canadian dollar. So gold, let's take a look on gold. Gold, yeah, the pressure is still high in my opinion. Yeah, despite this strong downside movement, sell-off, rebound, sell-off, rebound, sell-off, rebound, and probably, yeah, maybe personally I would like the price of gold, yeah, after dropping closing below this former low here, yeah, dropping and closing below this former low. Yeah, here rebound, here retest. In my opinion, gold is still under strong downside pressure and bearish pressure. So no, I don't want to buy it. As long as the dollar index is bullish, and also better than expected US data could force the price of gold to drop. Okay, only some only poor economic data could force the price of gold to rebound. But yeah, this is my opinion. Personally, I don't want to buy gold right now. Maybe I will buy it only after coming back down towards this zone. Yeah, towards this zone. Okay, but right now, after taking out that zone, support demand here, invalidating this demand, taking out the support, we are good, thank you. Are you okay? Richard, hi, how are you? I'm fine, mate. How are you? So yeah, I'm looking for potential new setups. In less than 4 minutes we'll have the US economic data. Yeah, the US economic data. So prelim gross domestic product. We'll have unemployment claims. Yeah. So also very important, if you are trading the US oil, maybe crude oil, or we'll have the crude oil inventories, and this could bring some volatility, maybe some action, strong action, maybe US oil. First of all, US oil, yeah, it has rebounded after reaching that zone. I don't know, maybe right now, please take a look on extended sideways movement here. I don't know, maybe I will look for shorts after the price, if the price will come back higher. Okay, for shorts. Thank you for your opinion on gold, it makes great sense. Thank you as well. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Yeah. So right now, no, I don't want to sell it here. I will sell it only if it will come back to retest this zone or this zone here in US oil. And let's wait to see the economic data, the crude oil inventories before we'll take, or before I will take action. Because right now, if the economic data will come in worse than expected, then maybe the price of oil could increase or something. Or if the price will if this indicator will come better than expected, maybe deep in the positive territory, then maybe the price could drop. Okay, so yeah, this is my opinion about US oil right now. No, I don't have a setup. I don't want to sell it here because we are right above former lows as downside targets and obstacles. Howard, hello, hi, how are you? So let's go back because 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, guys, and yeah, great. Personally, I have a pending order in US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Personally, I already sent the thought process. So yeah, I will not. I don't want to talk about US dollar Japanese yen here, only because that was that trade was only for the VIPs, for the VIP group. And personally, I will share also the economic data. Into the VIP group. Also, I will yeah, refresh the calendar here. So prelim GDP, yeah, high impact event. Let's see, let's wait. Also, if I'll keep an eye also only here, if I'll keep an eye only on 15 minutes, maybe I have here on gold something, but right now, yeah, let's refresh the economic calendar. I believe that I already have the economic data. So 2.7 and the initial jobless claims. So I will share 2.7. One moment, I will share the economic data here. as well, right? Actually, I will send the economic data in all groups. Because also, even if you are a crypto trader, this could have this maybe the economic data will have a big impact also on cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look. Bitcoin, for example, yeah, it has rebounded. So right now, if the DXY will drop deeper, yeah, it has rallied in the short term, but unfortunately only 2.7% growth versus 2.9 expected, 2.9 in the previous reporting period. So yeah, Prelim GDP price index maybe better than expected, unemployment claims better than expected. So let's wait to see how the dollar index will react. But personally, I will still look for potential trades, for potential setups. USD Japanese yen trade just triggered, yeah. But as you already know, guys, personally, I will come back with my trade management. I will come back with my management when I'll decide to do something with that trade, to manage it, to close it, to take profit, to I know, yeah. So right now I will hold that trade. So right now dollar index rallied, strongly bullish. Also yen basket crashed, dropped as expected, guys. I talked about yen basket also today, and I've said that maybe personally I'm expecting a deeper drop after this rebound, after this temporary rebound here. Okay, maybe this represented only a bearish pattern in the short term, and right now, boom, sell off. Okay, so a potential deeper drop here could force the yen to lose more ground versus its rivals. So also that's why maybe I've decided to take that trade. Yeah. I don't know. Can you hear me, guys? Is everything okay? Because Christopher, I can hear you. I can hear the audio stopped. I reloaded the page, but still no audio. So please confirm, guys, into the chat that everything is okay. Okay, Chris, please confirm, guys, that everything is okay. Loud and clear. Okay, great. So great, perfect. Perfect, guys. Yeah, so DXY again. Yeah, let's wait and because personal wait to see how it will react here around 104.66 because taking out this resistance, taking out this resistance may signal potential further growth, upside continuation here on the dollar index, and the further growth on the dollar index could force the US dollar to appreciate versus its rival. So let's take a look again on gold. Yeah, it's still bearish, as I've said, guys. It's still under downside pressure. No, I don't want to buy it. Maybe I will look for longs only, maybe here. Yeah. Only. Yeah. Also, silver. Now, if I don't have a high probability trade, high probability setup, no, I don't want to do anything. Also here in silver, please take a look. Yeah, it has rallied, it has reached supply here, retest, change of character of it has dropped, closed and stabilized below the former low, retest. So it's still under pressure in the short term, in my opinion. Okay, despite temporary rebounds or something, but yeah, maybe a deeper drop could be activated after a bearish closure below 21.444. Okay, if it will maybe drop, close, and stabilize below this level, maybe we can, yeah, the price of silver could extend its sell off. Okay, in my opinion. So USD CAD, let's take a look on USD CAD right after, but yeah, we had that aggressive breakout. So maybe this will be invalidated. The breakout could still be invalidated. Okay, maybe the price could still come back down to retest the support, the demand zone, and then to develop a new bullish momentum. So that's why, yeah, I will still keep an eye on that market, and if I will have something, yeah, I panicked and closed USD Japanese yen. I might drop, but I guess not. Might re-enter. Made a quick 100 in that tiny spike. Hi, how are you? Do you think British pound, the Japanese yen is going to back up now? I don't know. Thanks guys. We'll see why it stopped for me. Yeah. Okay. About Japanese yen, I've told you guys, yen. Sorry. GBP Japanese yen. So please take a look here. Yeah, maybe this was only a temporary retreat, a temporary drop after this strong rally. And about the Japanese yen basket, as I've said, it could drop deeper, it could extend its sell-off, and this scenario, if this scenario will take shape, potential downside continuation here could force the Japanese yen to lose more ground versus its rival. So yeah, about that market, yeah, it could come back towards new highs or something to approach former highs. Okay, so that's my opinion. About that market. So personally, I'm holding that US dollar Japanese yen despite the temporary retreats. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, I believe that I missed something. Maybe so personally, maybe I've missed something here on Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Unfortunately, maybe, but yeah, maybe we had an opportunity only last night. Yeah, personally, I cannot monitor the markets also during the Asian session. So after this strong drop here, a rebound, and on this after this retreat here, maybe we've had an opportunity to go long on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, but right now it's too late. Yeah, my position is in profit here on US dollar Japanese yen basket, but as I've said, I don't want to talk about this market right now here, because this trade was only for the VIPs, and the VIPs will have my my trade management. Don't worry guys, I will actually let's update the VIP group that my trade got triggered. US dollar Japanese yen got triggered. Okay, and let's invite more members. Yeah. you can still join my webinar. Perfect. I don't know. So personally, I'm using. I'm not using that. So what is this? Japanese yen currency index. No, I don't like it. But personally, I'm using also maybe Steve. Personally, I'm using that. I'm using. Yeah, maybe if you want, you can use it. Let's take a look also. Yen basket. Yen basket on 4 hour. No, it's not the same. So personally, I'm using this Japanese yen basket, or here 6J for Japanese yen futures. Okay, and also when the Japanese yen futures will drop, then yeah, the Japanese yen could depreciate. Okay, so personally I'm using the Japanese yen basket and also the Japanese yen futures. Okay, so dollar index is still bullish. It's almost to hit that that resistance. Taking out the resistance may signal potential further growth. So yeah. So it remains to see, even if the Prelim GDP reported only a 2.7% growth versus 2.9. Yeah. Unemployment claims better than expected. So sorry about that. Yeah, yen basket. One moment. Let's take a look. Yeah, personally, I've closed my my position in US dollar Japanese yen. I will update the VIP group as well. No, right now I don't want to keep it. Let's take a look. So personally, I've closed USD Japanese yen. Let's take a look on the here on the setup. After this strong rally, I don't know, maybe the price could retreat, and maybe I will look for potential new longs after a temporary drop or temporary retreat. Maybe it could come back to retest this imbalance here, the former highs, before extending its growth. So right now, no, I don't want to keep it, only because yeah, Forex Factory, yeah, if the indicator, if the economic indicator would have reported better than expected data, yeah, the US dollar, it would have the US dollar or the dollar index, it would have rallied. But right now, I don't like also here the dollar index maybe will have a potential sell-off, and no, right now I don't want to keep that trade. I don't want to keep that trade. I will look for something else. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, maybe at break even, something like this for a small profit, but yeah, break even. In US dollar, Japanese yen, because let's take a look. Let's take a look. Guys, if you have questions, because also here, I don't know, it remains to see if this will be, if this was a mistake, but let's take a look here. If I will connect these two highs here, we have a dynamic resistance, and maybe something like this here as well. So I don't want the price to, can you please confirm your last message on USD Japanese yen? Richard, what message? To please confirm. If I've sent a message, it's your call if you want to follow my my management or not. Yeah, you can do whatever you want, but yeah, personally I've closed my position. So this is the reason why. Yeah, maybe, but yeah, we had a supply here, really strong, a strong supply zone, supply area here, so that's why I didn't had a lower entry or something. But right now maybe I want to see, because right now the price action developed a strong demand zone here, and that's why maybe I would like the price to come back down before really developing a leg higher here. And I don't want the bullish momentum to be stopped by this by that resistance and then to turn to the downside. Yeah, my stop loss was here. Yeah, I've used my stop loss here below this former low, so even if the price it would have retreated a little, maybe it would have been still good. But right now, no, I don't want to keep it. After the prelim gross domestic product reported only 2.7% growth, right? So let's take a look. USD CAD, maybe I will have something here on USD CAD. Right now it challenges that zone. Even if the price will invalidate this zone here, I would like a temporary retreat and then boom. Okay, so this is my scenario here in US dollar, Canadian dollar. Right now I'll wait for the price to invalidate, to take out this supply, to come back down to retest maybe the broken downtrend line and the demand, and then boom. Okay, so yeah, Euro USD is still bearish. Yeah, last night I've managed my this was my setup yesterday for the VIP group, for the VIP members, and this is what happened. Yeah, personally I've closed my position for a small profit here before the FOMC. Also my stop loss was at break even, and yeah, it would have maybe it would have reached my stop loss here at break even. But yeah, the setup it would have been, if the setup was good, was really good, with an entry here, stop loss here, because please take a look, the price extended its sell-off. The bias is still bearish. The bias is still bearish here on Euro USD. So yeah, the dollar index is still there. It continues to stay right below 104.66. index, but it remains to see if the price will be able to take out that resistance and to extend its growth, because a new sell-off, and maybe I would like to see a new sell-off here to just retest here and then boom, okay, and then a new rally, an upwards movement, so these are my scenarios right now on the dollar index. If the dollar index will come back down, I will look for longs, for US dollar longs, or if the dollar index will take out here this level and to make a new higher high and to confirm its breakout, I will look for US dollar longs as well. So let's try to identify potential. No. British pound. British pound versus US dollar now. US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, but yeah, that was my decision in the short term to close my position, and I'll wait for a new retreat after this strong rally, for a new retreat before I will try to identify a potential new long, okay, here in US dollar, Japanese yen. So yeah, this was my setup, but yeah, maybe it seems that my entry was too high, maybe that's why, and maybe we'll have a retreat before extending its growth. So this is the reason why I decided to manage my position. So yeah, maybe US dollar, Canadian dollar will be my next trade. US dollar, Swiss franc. US dollar, Swiss franc. Whoa, we are in a supply zone, a supply area here, but right now let's wait to see how US dollar, Swiss franc will react. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So if the dollar index will if the dollar index fails to make a new higher high, if the dollar index will turn to the downside, then also maybe I will try to catch potential US dollar shorts in the short term. Okay, maybe New Zealand dollar, US dollar. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. US equities, let's take a look. US equities. Personally, maybe I'm looking for shorts. And here in US 100, maybe. US 100, because maybe this could be only a temporary rebound after this massive sell-off, massive drop. Okay, it seems that maybe this potential demand zone was invalidated here. Okay, yeah, was invalidated, rebound. So I'm looking maybe here around that supply zone. I'm looking, will be any new trade in VIP today? Probably. Yeah. Yeah, personally, I will try to identify potential new trade and new setup, and yeah, I will come back with a new trade. Okay. But if I don't have something really good, I don't want to do anything. Okay. So I don't know right now. I'm looking for potential trades. Same. I'm looking for potential trades for new setups. Okay, and only if I'll have a high probability trade and setup, I will try to. I will share a trade. Okay. US 30 above demand here. US 30 and a strong imbalance here. Let's go back. US 100 again. Yeah. But only a new demand zone. US 500 as well. Let's take a look. 1 hour. Yeah, it has failed to approach and reach this zone. It has invalidated this demand zone here right now, below resistance, or actually in a supply zone, supply area. It remains to see how the dollar index will react. As I've said, yeah, please take a look here. This is the reason, guys. This is the reason, because I've noticed this rally, okay, in the short term, but I've told you guys that only because the prelim GDP came in worse than expected. I told you that we cannot exclude a sell-off here on the dollar index. Okay, so that's why I've managed my position. I've decided to close this US dollar Japanese yen, yeah, with a small profit, above break even or something, or something like this, and I'll wait for a retreat. Gold again. Gold, whoa. Gold. Huh. Former low, okay, here in gold, former low as downside obstacle, and right now a strong reaction here, but I'll wait. If we'll have here a bullish engulfing, if we'll have a strong imbalance, then I'll wait maybe for a retest, and then I will try to go long. Yeah, but right now it's still premature. It remains to see how the dollar index will react. Yeah, silver yeah, rallied in the short term, but let's wait. Okay, let's wait. US oil. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, I took the entry from 1,818 holds long. Can I hold the gold trade, Michelle? That's not my trade. I will not tell you what to do. Yeah, I cannot tell you what to do. It's your call. It's your trading account. I don't know, your rational thought process or something. So it is up to you. I will not tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah, it seems that you catch this strong rally. So right now I don't know. Personally, I don't have a long setup right now. It's maybe this could be only a reaction for now. And as I've said earlier, maybe I would like to see a new retest before really developing an upwards movement. Okay. Right now we are in a supply zone, resistance here. So maybe I would like to see the price down again, to come back down to retest this demand zone, to retest the imbalance or something before jumping higher or something. So right now, no, I don't have something really good. Bitcoin again. Bitcoin. Ethereum as well. Ethereum. Okay, it seems that you don't have more questions. maybe here on the yen basket, I would like to see a new temporary rebound and then to look for potential Japanese yen shorts, new Japanese yen shorts. Seems that you don't have questions. USD Japanese yen, it's still there. No. Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Yeah, it was a because here last night, yeah, maybe we had only a reaction, but here, maybe here after this test, retests, after developing here a flag pattern, maybe in the short term, we had an opportunity during the Bayesian session. Boom. Okay, yeah, it would have been really good, but right now, yeah, I'll wait. So, I don't have something really good. So dollar index, now it seems that maybe it will fail to take out this this resistance. Maybe it will come back down, and personally I would like the price to come back down before jumping higher, and then I will look for US dollar longs, as I said. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining me. I will keep an eye maybe only on US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, we had that breakout, or failing to invalidate this this supply here, a potential retreat maybe could also help us to identify US dollar longs. So yeah, I will still try to catch a potential upwards movement here on this market. US dollar, Canadian dollar, but right now only an aggressive breakout. I would like to see a retest, or I would like to see here a breakout. I would like the price to invalidate this supply before extending its growth. Okay. US dollar, Singapore dollar. No. I don't want to buy it here. I'm looking for longs, but I don't want to buy it here. Mexican peso. Let's take a look on lower time frames to see if we can catch maybe a potential if the dollar index will drop. Maybe I will look here for a potential US dollar short. As a scalping position, maybe as an intraday trade here on US dollar versus the Mexican peso, but only if the DXY will really signal a potential sell-off. Okay, thank you guys. I will come back with something later. Have a great day, and yeah, I will come back with a new high probability trade into the VIP group soon. Thank you guys. Bye bye.